Hello, I am Anindam Mollik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. Now, our today's topic is insertion in the heap tree. How can we insert a node or insert an element in the heap? In this video, we are discussing on that. So, let's start. Now, insertion in the heap. Here, now, we already know that in heap there is a two type, max heap and min heap. Here we are taking the example as in max heap. That means we are insert a element or insert a node in max heap. You can also do min heap also, but here I take the example on the max heap. We insert an element in the max heap. Now here it is a max heap, example of the max heap. How? What is the condition? First of all, it's a complete binary tree. No doubt it is a complete binary tree. Okay, then because this is the last element, 34 is the last element. No gap, complete binary tree. Now next is the root has the maximum value. Yes, 50 is the maximum value, larger than all elements. Every time parents are greater than is child's. Yes, 50 is greater than 44, 45. 44 is greater than 43, 42. 45 is greater than 41, 39. 43 is greater than 32 and 34. Yes, it's a max heap. Now, here we are inserted the 55. Insert an element 55 in this max heap. Now, what is the procedure? What is the procedure? First of all, I ask a question. Where you insert this 55? If I ask you what is the position of the 55 you are inserted. Now, first of all, we know that in heap we are inserted the elements in the level by level. That means first of all this level are filled, then second level filled, third level filled, then next level are filled. That means obviously now this level is empty. Okay, so that means up to this level is filled. Now this is 2 are also filled. So obviously this 55 is coming on the left child of the 42. Yes, right. But now we have a question. Is this is a complete binary tree? Yes, it is a complete binary tree. It is a max heap. No, it is not a max heap. Why? Up to this, that means up to here or up to here, it is a max heap. But when we insert this 55 on the left child of 42, it is not a max heap. Why? If you are compare with the root and the child, that means 42 and 55, 42 is less than 55. That means root is smaller than the child. But here the condition of the max heap says that root must be greater than the child. So it is not a max heap. Okay. Then what do we do? What do we do? This is the array representation. Okay. Now what do we do for making this tree as a max heap? What is the procedure? Now, procedure says that in insertion, we must do the adjustment. Here we have done the adjustment, adjust the elements. And adjustment is done on the upper part. That means upward. We are adjust the elements on this upward direction, upward direction, upward direction. Okay. Now procedure is, now we are comparing with the root element, root of the 55. What is the root of this element? That means 55, 42. Compare with the 42. Now, every time we check, is this the property, maintain the max heap property? If not, then swap. So here, 55, that means child is larger than root. That means we are swap with the 55 and 42. So here, we compare with the root. If the not maintain the max heap property, then we swap the root and child. So we are basically swap the 42 and 45. So after swapping, the tree become, so 42 is goes here, 55 is go there, 55 become the root, 42 become the child, left child of 55 here. Now again we check it is a max heap or not. If you are checked like 50, okay, 44 and 45 is lesser than the 50, that means 50 is greater than 44, 45. If you are here coming, 43 is lesser than the 44, but here 55 is larger than 44. That means child is greater than root. Violate the MAXIP property. So what do we do? Again, adjust the elements. Adjust is on the upward direction. Here is your adjust the elements. So here we swap 55 and 44. 55 is goes here, 44 is go there. Now repeat the procedure. Repeat this procedure until we makes a proper MAXIP tree. We are repeat this procedure. So we are basically after swapping this 55 and 44, the tree become this. 55 is goes on the root and 44 is become the left child of 55. Now again we check. Again we repeat the procedure. Now we again check what is this tree is a MAXIP or not. We check. 55 is larger than 50. No, it is not a MAXIP. Why? Because root is smaller than child. It is not a MAXIP. What is the procedure? Again we adjust. Adjust on the upward direction. Adjust, that means swap with the 50 and 55. Compare with them, then swap. Because 50 is smaller. But here, and the property of MAXIP says that root must be the largest element than child. But here, so here we have swap. So after swapping the 50 and 55, the tree become this. 55, then left child 50, 45, 43, 44, 41, 39, 32, 34, 42. Now this is become our MAXIP. Why? If you are now we are check what is the root 55. Now if you check 50 and 45 is lesser than the root. That means, or we can say 55 is greater than is 50 and 45. Same way 43 and 44 is lesser than the 50, or we can say 50 is greater than 43, 44. 45 is greater than 41, 39. Same way 43 is greater than 32, 34. 44 is greater than 42, or 55 is the largest element or maximum element which is on the root. Yes, this is become a MAXIP. So this is the procedure. How can you insert a node in the MAXIP? Again, I recap quickly I recap this thing. How can you insert? What is the procedure? Every time keep in mind, this is a short note. In insertion, we are adjustment. This is the area adjustment. What is the adjustment? We are swap. What is the direction of the adjustment? Upward. In insertion, we are do our adjustment on the upward. That means leaf to root. Leaf node to the root. On towards the root. We are adjust the elements. What is the procedure? We are insert the 55. So same here, we know that in heap, these are level by level insertion. So obviously this level will fill up. So on this level, this 55 is goes here obviously. Then we are check the compare with the root. If his root is greater than child, no problem. But here is a smaller adjustment. That means swap. After swapping, we are done. Again we repeat the procedure. Again swap 55 and 44. So after swapping, this is coming. Okay, 55 goes here. Again we repeat the procedure. Repeat the procedure. Same way 55 is goes there, 50 is goes there. That means every time we repeat the MAXIP property. So this is final tree MAXIP. This is the insertion done. Now next is the deletion. Deletion in the heap. Now this is a MAXIP. Again I take a MAXIP tree for showing you the how can I delete a node in the heap. We take a MAXIP. You can also take the min heap also, but here I take the MAXIP here, okay, as an example. So this is a MAXIP. Why? Because 55 is greater than or maximum than the all elements. Or say every time parents, that means parents must be greater than or equals to the is child. Yes, 55 is greater than 50 and 45. 50 is greater than 43, 44. 45 is greater than 41, 39. 43 is greater than 32, 34. 44 is greater than 42. Yes, it is a MAXIP. Now, question is that I ask a question. Which element do you try to delete? Every time root element. Every time. This is a rule in the heap. We must not delete the any elements, but on the root element. Why? Every time we delete the best element. That means, for an example, if you are go to the fruit shop, there is an arrangement of the apples like a pyramid way. Say like, and every time the topmost apple is the best apple. Shopkeepers are do a arrangement is such like that the only the best apple on the topmost. Now if we not pick up the any haphazard apple but on the topmost apple, that means best apple. So same here is the best element is a root element. Now here we take a here max heap, we take the min heap also. So the root element, that means maximum element or minimum element, here you delete on maximum element on this tree, that means heap, or minimum element on this heap. So which element we are deleted in the heap? We must delete on the root element. So which element we delete in the heap? Root element. That means either maximum element or minimum element of the heap. So we are taking the delete the root. Now what is the root here? 55. So we must delete the, first of all delete the 55. Now this is the array representation. Okay, this is the array representation of this tree. Now rule says that so we must delete the 55, that means the root element. So we delete the 55. After deletion, this thing. Now the question is that which element is coming in place of 55? Which element? Every time keep in mind the rule says that every time the last node, that means of this complete binary is coming, or we can say the last node of the array is coming. What is the last node of the array? 42. Or which is the last node of the complete binary? Again 42. Or last node 42. Or we can say the last element of the array is coming on the in place of the root. So that means 42 is coming on the here. So 42 is coming here. Now this is a every time keep in mind must be maintained the, now on the deletion we must be maintain the property of the heap. Here we take the max heap, so we must maintain the property of the max heap. First of all, so heap must be a complete binary. Is this a complete binary? Yes. All by level are fill up. Yes, is a fill up. So yes, it is a max heap. Because after the full of the one level, we are only go to the next level. So yes, it is a complete binary tree. Now my question is this is a max heap? No, it is not a max heap. Why? If you compare with the parent and child, if you compare with the parent and this child from the root, 42 is lesser than this child. No, it doesn't violate the property of the max heap, because every time in the max heap, parent node must be greater or equals to its child, but here is a violated because root is smaller than its child. Now what is the procedure? Rule says that we must compare with the left and right child of the root, then found which is greater, then swap with the root. Okay. So what is the procedure now? So we must adjust. We do the adjustment. This is not a big deal. Now the adjustment direction is downward. That means keep in mind in insertion we are do our adjustment on the leaf node to root, but in deletion we are do our adjustment on the root to leaf node in deletion or downward. Now so again, now we are comparing what is the procedure, which element, how can we make it a max heap. What is the procedure? First of all, this rule says that compare with the left and right child of the root. Compare with the left and right child of the root. That means we are comparing the left child and right child, 50 and 45. Then found which is greater. Which is greater among 50 and 45? 50 is greater. Swap with the root. That means we are swap with the 50 and 42. 50 and 42. Yes, 50 and 42. So now after swapping of these two, 50 goes here, 42 goes there. That means 50 goes to the root and 42 goes to the left child of the 50. Right? So this is the thing. Now again we check this is the max heap or not. Now if we check, yes, 50 is greater than 42 and 45. Yes, up to this is a max heap. Now again check the left subtree. Okay, no. Here is again is the condition of the max heap is violated because root is smaller than the left child and right child. So again we do the procedure. Rule. Apply the rule. What is the rule says? We are compared to the left child and right child. Compare. Who is the smallest? Who is the smaller? 44. 44 is smallest. Sorry. Which is the greatest? We are taking in the, what is the rule says? Every time we compare with the left and right child of the root, then found the which is greater, which element is greater, we are swap with the root. This is the procedure. So here also we are found on this left child and right child, which is greater among the 43 and 44. 44 is greater. Swap with the root. That means we are swap with the 42 and 44. 44 is goes here, 42 is goes there. So after swapping, the tree become this 50, then 44, 45, 43, 42, 41, 39, 32, 34. Now check, is this is a max heap or not? What is the process? And we check, yes, 50 is greater than 44, 45, yes. 44 is greater than 43, 42, yes. 45 is greater than 41, 39, yes. Then 43 also greater than 32, 34. And same way, 50 is greatest element or maximum element than the all. So it is on the root. Yes, it is a max heap tree. So thing is that just 2 points you must be noted here. So what is that we do? Again now. So you know the deletion procedure. I'll just recap it on very quickly. What is the process? Which element we are deleted in the heap? Every time we delete the maximum or minimum element. Here we take the maximum as a max heap, so we delete the root element. That means maximum element. Always delete from the root in max heap or heap tree. So we delete the 55. Now which element go to the place? Last element of the array or last element of the complete binary tree. Last level element. Last element. That means 42 is goes here. Now adjust the elements. Adjustment is direction is from downward. Now we are checking here. Downward. Adjust the elements. Process is compare with the this child. Which is greater? 45 is greater. We are comparing with the child, left child and right child of this root. 42. Which is greater? 50 is greater. Now, which is greater? Swap with the root. So we have swap with the root 50. That means the procedure says that 50 is goes here, 42 is goes there. 50 is goes here, 42 is goes there. Now again we check the property of the max heap, we maintain or not. Here we come, no, it is not a max heap. Again we do the same property, same rule. Take the left and right child of this root, that means 42. Compare with them, which is greater? 44 is greater. Swap with the root, 44 is go here, 42 is goes there. So after this swapping, this is the final tree, final max heap. This is how we generate after how can you delete a node, delete the root and in the heap. But every time keep in mind, if you do the insertion or if you do deletion, must be preserve the properties of the heap. If you do the max heap, must be maintain the max heap property. If you do the min heap, must be maintain the min heap property. This is the procedure. How can you delete and how can you insert a node? Thanks for watching. I think it is clear up to you how can you delete or how can you insert a node in heap. Thanks for